So I came across a bunch of questions regarding Amazon SKUs and Fnskus, and each of these questions are searched a few thousand times every single month. So I thought for today's video I would put them all together and answer them all for you rapid fire style. So starting with SKUs, let's get right into it. Question number 1, what is a SKU on Amazon? So this answer is grabbed directly from Amazon, and they say, a SKU, stock keeping unit, is a specific merchant's product identifier. The SKU is a critical piece of data in every inventory file that you submit to us. Amazon uses the SKUs in your inventory file to associate your products with the appropriate product detail page in our catalog if one already exists. This means the following: every product in your inventory file must have a unique SKU. And this leads into the next question, can I change my Amazon SKU? And they say an existing SKU cannot be changed. It remains in the catalog until you delete it. That is, you cannot change SKU 123 so that it reads ABC in our system simply by changing the SKU in your inventory file. So if you wanted to change the SKU, you would have to delete your listing and then create a new one. Question number 3, do I need an Amazon SKU? So when you're creating your listing, you can enter in a custom SKU if you want to, or have Amazon assign it for you. I let Amazon assign the SKUs for me because I don't have a specific system in place, but I do like to give my parent listings a custom SKU to organize my Amazon inventory page. And question number 4, where do I find my Amazon products SKU? So this is easy peasy. Go to Menu, Inventory, Manage Inventory, find your product, and then it gives you your SKU right here. Question number 5, how to create sale report SKU-wise in Amazon? Good question. So you're going to go to Menu, Reports, Business Reports, and under By ASIN, click Detail Page Sales and Traffic by Child Item. Number 6, how to create a child SKU. So if you're confused by the word child in this question, there are parent-child listing relationships on Amazon. So for example, if you sell red t-shirts of different sizes, each different size is going to be a child listing, and then the parent listing groups all the child listings together. So to answer the question, I have a few tutorials on how to do this, either with a flat file or without a flat file, so I'll link them up here and also in the description below. How to set up Fnsku on Amazon / how does Amazon FNSKU work? So how to set it up? You don't. Amazon assigns it for you when you create your listing. How to update Amazon listing without losing Fnsku code. You can safely update your listing whenever you please and you won't lose your Fnsku code. How to download the Fnsku barcode / how to print Amazon Fnsku barcodes. So this is how you do it. Go to Menu, Inventory, Manage Inventory, find your product, click the drop down beside Edit, then click Print Item Labels. Edit this number if you want to print more than one barcode on the sheet. Click Print Item Labels again. Then a PDF will pop up of your Fnsku barcode. Now you can print the barcodes onto sticker labels or send it digitally to your supplier, whatever you need to do with it. How to get Fnsku number on Amazon. So if you just need the Fnsku number, instead of clicking that drop-down menu in the inventory tab, you're going to click the SKU and it will show you your Fnsku on the left-hand side. When does Amazon give us Fnsku to be printed? So you can access it anytime like how I just showed you, or when you're going through the shipment creation plan process to send your products into Amazon, it is going to remind you that your products require barcode labeling. So there will be a little button that you press and it will print out exactly the number of barcodes that you need, and then you stick them on your product. Do you need an Fnsku for Amazon? Yes, but you don't need to do anything because Amazon just assigns it each time a new product is created. How to get Fnsku code from Amazon before product launch? That's a good question. So if your product is being manufactured and you don't have photos or anything ready to go, you can still create your listing. So go ahead, create the listing, and then the Fnsku will be assigned to your product, and then you can access it how I just showed you, so you can download it and then add it to your product packaging or whatever you were planning on doing with it. And if you need a step-by-step walkthrough on how to add your first product, I will link my tutorial right up here and in the description below. How does Fnsku labeling work? So you have a couple options here. You can print out and label your products yourself using sticker labels. Your manufacturer can do that for you, and it's usually free. You can digitally download your barcode and incorporate it into your product packaging design, so it will be printed directly onto the packaging, so there's no sticker labeling involved at all. Or Amazon offers a service for 55 cents per unit for them to put the barcode on for you. But I only get Amazon to do it for me when I'm in a pinch because that's actually quite costly, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so it can spread to and help more people. If you wish to see more Amazon content from me, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!